How to turn on and off lasso selection in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by PICKAUTO system variable. By default, lasso selection is on in AutoCAD. By the help of PICKAUTO variable you can it off and vice versa easily. To turn it off, set the value of PICKAUTO variable to 3. To turn it on, set the value of PICKAUTO variable to 4 or 5. You can also turn it on and off from Options command under Selection tab. See how it works. As you can see that the lasso selection is on by default. Run PICKAUTO and change its value to 3. Do window selection by mouse left button. You can see now that the lasso selection it turned off. To turn it on, run PICKAUTO again and change its value to 4 or 5. Click and drag mouse left button. You can see now that the lasso selection is turned on again. Similarly, you can turn it on and off by Options command. In Options window, go to the Selection tab. Uncheck Allow Lasso option. Do window selection by mouse left button. You can see now that the lasso selection is turned off. Run Options command again. Check Allow Lasso option. Click and drag mouse left button. You can see now that the lasso selection is turned on. Thanks for watching.